A brain the size of a grain of sand, yet it calculates faster than a supercomputer. An insect that plays sports for fun, flies in defiance of the laws of physics, and heats itself up like a jet engine just to survive. Are you absolutely sure you know everything about bumblebees? The deeper scientists studied the bumblebee, the more startling the realization became. This isn't just some cute, tiny, fuzzy insect on a flower. It's a true genius of the insect world. Let's dive in. In 1934, a French entomologist applied aircraft equations to a bumblebee and concluded, bumblebees cannot fly. His mistake wasn't in the math, but in the model. Airplane aerodynamics simply don't work for insects. A bumblebee flaps its wings up to 200 times per second, faster than a hummingbird. Its wings don't just move up and down, they follow the trajectory of a reversed figure eight, the infinity symbol. It uses non-stationary aerodynamics that people back in the 30s didn't even understand yet. It wasn't until 2005 that high-speed cameras showed that the bumblebee creates actual vortices of air, generating extra lift. This is exactly why micro-drone engineers are still studying bumblebees to this day. Now, let's move on to the most fascinating facts about bumblebees. And we'll start with the most unexpected one. In 2023, scientists discovered something strange. Bumblebees, it seems, know how to play games. What kind of games? During an experiment, bumblebees were given tiny wooden balls that offered absolutely no reward. No food, no survival benefit. Despite this, our little fuzzy friends rolled these balls around like they were playing football, moving them again and again. And the most interesting part? It was mostly the young bumblebees doing it, just like the young of many other animals that play out of curiosity and to explore the world. This became some of the first serious evidence that even insects can display behavior not just linked to survival, but to something like curiosity or fun. Next fact, a bumblebee is a literal living engine. A bumblebee can heat its body up to a staggering 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, even in the cold. It literally revs up its motor like a racing car before a start. How does it happen? It does this by vibrating its muscles without any wing movement. Thanks to this, bumblebees keep flying at near zero temperatures when honeybees have already gone into hibernation. But the price for this is a massive energy drain. In just 1 hour, a bumblebee can burn through its entire supply of nectar. Their brain is almost impossible. It's smaller than a grain of sugar, yet it functions like a latest generation processor. Bumblebees find near-perfect routes between flowers, which is a logic puzzle known as the traveling salesman problem. At first, they fly chaotically, but over time they start choosing the shortest and most efficient paths, wasting minimum energy. Modern computers solve these tasks approximately using complex algorithms. Bumblebees do it naturally, with a brain smaller than a speck of dust. Bumblebee superpowers. These guys don't just collect pollen. Imagine this, they literally hack it. That's how I describe it. Using a frequency of 400 Hertz. Yeah, that number might not mean much to you, but believe me, that's a very high frequency. They create a real resonance that literally shakes all the contents out of the flower. Tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, and blueberries are pollinated much more efficiently by bumblebees for this very reason. Bumblebees know how to learn. What does that mean? In experiments, bumblebees learned from each other through observation. One bumblebee showed another how to get food using a string, and the other bees gradually picked up the skill, later passing it on to other members of the colony. This isn't just instinct anymore, it's a genuine form of social learning, resembling a primitive culture. Why is the disappearance of bumblebees a true catastrophe? Some plants can only be pollinated by our fuzzy friends. Without them, not just flowers, but entire ecosystems could vanish. Due to the ever-changing climate, pesticides, and the destruction of meadows, many bumblebee species are sharply declining. Some populations in North America have dropped by a staggering 90%. And it's entirely possible that one day our fuzzy guys might disappear for good, and we won't even notice until it's too late. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time!